Hi guys, and welcome to Shelly's Homemade. I'm Shelly, and today we're going to be making smoked chicken. So I'm going to be taking you outside into my yard so that we can make smoked chicken today. Guys, smoked chicken. So I'm firing up the smoker now. I'm waiting for it to come to the temperature to drop back down to 250. And while I was doing that, I'm going to show you how to make the rub to rub on my famous smoked chicken, guys. Famous smoked chicken. All right, so I have my bowl here. We have my brown sugar. We just gonna start dumping stuff, baby. We have my Sazon Caribbean seasoning, guys. That in there. Salt, and that is pink Mahalia salt. We have a grill rub. Use any kind of grill rub that you want. I'm using this one, and this it's called something spice. I don't remember, but I know I use it in this. Alright, and I get the name of it. I remember the name of it. I'll tell you during this video. I'll put it in the description box. And remember, all ingredients and everything that I cook in every video is located in the description box. So, this is my grill rub seasoning. Pulling it right in there. And those that I put in there, the salt was a tablespoon and a half. The Sazon was a tablespoon and a half. This grill seasoning was 2 tablespoons. This is a half a cup of white sugar. And that brown sugar was a whole cup. This is a tablespoon of black pepper. Onion powder. This is 2 tablespoons of onion powder. Season oil. This is 2 tablespoons of season oil. 2 tablespoons of garlic. Going right in. Alright. So now we're just going to take a spoon and just mix it up. Just like so, guys. And while we're mixing this, I'm going to talk a little bit about my chicken. So, my chicken, they are chicken quarters. They are big chicken quarters too. I found these in my local grocery store. Aldi's, if you have one near you, is where I went and I found them. I have cleaned them. I have took all the nasty fat that be winging in on, I don't turn it over, on the back of the chicken. And this stuff in the inside here, I got all of that out. The feathers, I removed all the feathers and everything. Clean that chicken real good with a little vinegar and salt. Alright. I cleaned that chicken all the way up. I patted it dry so that my rub will stick to it. And so it's going to take at least 30 minutes for that the smoker to come to the temperature that I want. So what I'm doing now, again, is mixing my rub together. And I'm going to get a pan, and I'm going to rub it inside of one of my aluminum disposable pans, guys. And I'm using a disposable pan. I don't want to have to do all of that work. So I'm going to grab that pan, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I grabbed my pan. And grab my gloves. And we're going to rub this chicken, baby. Alright. So I'm going to lay them down like this. So I can get 4 of them in here like this. So if you watched my video from yesterday, was the ribs, when I made my amazing oven baked ribs. I didn't smoke them because it was kind of chilly yesterday, but nice and warm, and I don't have to keep lighting my smoke. So you just get in there and just rub all this into the chicken. Now, if you wanted it spicy, I don't have it spicy, but if you wanted it spicy, you can add a little cayenne pepper. And just get it in there. Get your hands in there. Don't have gloves, just use your hands. You can always wash them. Now, I have a different rub for everything that I use. I got a different rub for my pork, whatever that thing. For my pulled pork, when I do my pork butt. Got a different rub for my chicken. I got a different rub for my ribs. So, you know, stay tuned, guys. Just stay tuned. And just keep watching our videos. And, you know, these are going to set. See how that open up? Just grab your some with a spoon and get it inside. Cover it up like that. Season it to the bone. Alright, let's get some more in here. So it's 8 pieces. My husband, he loves this chicken, so he takes it to work with him. So I just make extra. So when you want to take it to work, get in here, rub it all in here, like so. And in there. Ooh, my smoke is going off. You can just see it out there on my porch, on my back porch, just smoking away. So I'm gonna pat it in. You could, you know, if you wanted to, add mustard, or you can just put oil on it first and then just put this on. But rather just have this, because chicken make a lot of oil anyway. And I'm using a spoon because you can just put this in the freezer in a Ziploc bag and then come back and reuse that smoked chicken. You can reuse this rub. You know, you can use this. This rub can be used on anything. You can put this rub on anything, honey. I'm trying to tell you. It's a beautiful rub. And it's just going to sit on the back of my, well, on this counter until I'm ready to use it. Alright. Pat that in, like so. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Everything. Not get it straggling around. Look at that. That's just beautiful. And so when the next time when I come back, we're gonna be outside. Gonna be outside. So I already sprayed my grates that's inside. I wiped them down, sprayed them. You know, when you mess with a grill, you know, ain't no way you can just keep that stuff clean, baby. But I do be cleaning it though. I clean it. I wash it out and try to keep it clean every time I use it. I wash it down, wipe it out, and before I use it, I rinse it off and put it back in there. But I guess from the smoke it be turning black. My grates be turning black. So I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys. All right, you see how my chicken, you see how all the seasonings of the rub and everything then seeped inside of the chicken and everything. So now my my smoker is ready, and now we're about to go out back and get this on the smoker. All right, so I'll be right back when we're outside. Okay, guys, so I am outside on my back porch. Ooh, and it is hot, 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 hot. So you hear that sizzle and that chicken. Trying to find a good angle. put one up there. Ooh, shoot. Ooh. I'm gonna get it in there. Ooh. There's one in. Y'all could just see all that seasoning on that. Put two on every show. Alright, so I'm gonna get this closed up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the finished product of the smoked chicken, which took 3.5 hours to cook to get this crispy skin on this chicken. It is hot. Hot, hot. I'm just gonna bring that up some so you can see. Take a fork. Dropping on me, dropping forks on the floor. What's that old saying they say? Somebody's coming over when you drop the fork. A man or something, I don't know. Alright, so look at that chicken. I'll open it up for you guys to see. Look at that. It's juicy. It's done all the way. It's hot. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a taste. Look at the smoke ring around this chicken. It's juicy. The stuff is, the juice is just dripping into the pan. Alright. So like, share, and subscribe. And as always, guys, have a great day.